This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tanya Davenport. Modern rustic cabin west/chic style. Open floor plan features high ceilings with a warm, cabin vibe. Enjoy this cool, bold cabin with beautiful mountain views. Plenty of space in this home for overnight guests and parking to accommodate. 4/3 cabin with brand new kitchen, spacious updated bathrooms, plenty of storage. Oversized master bedroom upstairs for endless views, private balcony, sitting area, walk-in closet and a bonus room ready for you to put your touch to it. Basement has a separate theater room, game room and an additional master. Keep as your own hideaway or create income and use as short-term vacation rental. For more information, review the details below or contact Tanya Davenport.